Hey guys, welcome to Digit, and in this video we're going to be unboxing the Techfire here in two wireless Bluetooth headphones. Now as you can see, this is a neckband style wireless headset. So there's the neckband and the cables go in a little above the tip. There's nothing on the sides aside from additional branding. On the back side, we can see all the specifications along with the pricing chart. Pricing always changes, so you should always refer to the actual listing. This is what we see inside. We have the earphones itself along with the charging cable and nothing else. The charging cable happens to be micro USB to USB type A, and by the looks of it, it seems to be about 10 to 15 centimeters long, which is quite sufficient. We'll keep this aside, and all you have left is the wireless headset itself. So the controls are on the left side. You can see the charging slot, the micro USB, on the same pod. There's the power button, volume control, play pause, and a little inlet for the microphone. And that's about it. You have the headsets. They have a magnetic back so they can stick together. There aren't any replacement ear tips. And that's about it. That's for the unboxing of the Techfire here into wireless Bluetooth headset. If you'd like us to do similar unboxings of audio products in the future, please stay tuned. Thank you for watching.